Hi everyone, today I'm going to guide you through the process of installing your E-ZPass sticker tag on your vehicle windshield. You can glue it straight to the windshield, but I use sticker shield usually for any stickers for my car that allow me to keep windshield clean and no any glue residue on it. First put sticker shield glossy side up, then peel off your sticker and apply it to the shield, like this. After that, cut sticker shield to side of the sticker, like this. You could put sticker on the left side or the right side, but I prefer to put it in the middle behind the rear view mirror, so sticker will not be visible from the driver's perspective. Next, clean up windshield and apply the sticker. Here we go. We are done. Nice.